Magkakahiwalay na si Ellie at Andy dahil sa Maynila na mag-aaral ang anak. Emotional si Andy sa pag-alis ni Ellie. So, syempre, nanay, tapos mawalay tayo sa ating anak ay talagang malulungkot po tayo. Makalipas ang 3 taong homeschool sa isla ng Siargao, sisimulan ni Ellie Ejercito ang kanyang high school journey sa Maynila. Ito ang emosyonal na pagbubunyag ni Andy Eigenman sa kanyang anak sa latest YouTube vlog ng Happy Islanders. Naging emotional ang dating aktres sa naging update, lalo na mawawalay na sa kanya isang anak. Ayon kay Andy, maninirahan si Ellie sa ama nito na dati niyang partner na si Jake Ejercito. I'm very sad. Ellie's going to Manila. She's going to stay with her dad because she want to try going back to regular school. Pagbabahagi ng celebrity mom. Para sa kaalaman ng marami, si Ellie ay nagsimulang mag-homeschool mula ng magka-pandemya, pero nakaranas naman siya ng face-to-face classes mula noong siya'y preschool hanggang grade 3. Naikwento rin ni Andy na ang kanyang anak ang nag-request mismo na bumalik sa regular school. Maganda kasi yung regular school kaysa sa homeschool. When everything started going back to normal after the pandemic, Ellie craved for a school setup that was more normal for her. I love homeschooling. It's been my dream since I was still studying. Chika niya. Paliwanag pa niya, I've always thought that a homeschool setup would be a great way for me to learn and for my kids as well. But that's the thing, and that's the point of all of this, is that it's not about me, it's about the learner. And as for Ellie, that's what works better for her, and as a parents, all I can do is guide her into making decision that will be for her benefit, not mine, even if it is the expense of mine. Ani pa ni Andy. Aminado ang aktres na mamimiss nila ng sobra si Ellie kahit bibisita pa rin ito sa kanila tuwing holiday. We're going to miss Ellie having her most of the time, but she still be spending all her holiday here with me and our family. And she promised, but as she is turning 13, I didn't want to deprive her of experiencing something that I think would also be worth it. Explika ng mom of 3, dagdag niya. I made all the best memories and all the best friendship going to high school in Manila, and so she deserved that too, and I know that she will be in good hands with our family there and her dad. Sa katunayan nga rin daw ay last year pa nila ito pinaplano at talagang nanghinayang siya dahil hindi na ito naantay ng kanyang yumaong ina na si Jacqueline Jose. It was really exciting for her to come to Manila and hopefully be able to spend more time with my mom. So it's so sad that she didn't get to wait for Ellie to come. Pagbubunyag ng aktres na tuluyan ng naiyak. Siyempre, sino ba naman ang hindi maiiyak pag maalala niya yung mama niya? At itong si Jacqueline Jose ang nandyan talaga sa tabi ni Ellie. Bago matapos ang vlog, mapapanood na hinatid ni Andy kasama ang pamilya si Ellie sa airport. Kakalungkot naman ito. Siyempre, ganun talaga kasi para naman din yan sa anak niya. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Corridad Official TV para ma-update kayo dito sa ating latest chika sa showbiz. Ring bell all niyo ako. Hanggang sa muli, and thank you so much!